How to increase your wealth. 5 must-do strategies. Everyone's financial position is unique, but there is one element that almost everyone has in common. Whichever type of person you are, the topic of how to increase your money is undoubtedly foremost in your thoughts. What are the critical actions you should take to grow your money? We are not going to tell you how to make your money increase quickly or how to become wealthy fast here. Rather than that, we're going to provide you with real advice that truly works to help you accumulate wealth over time. Do you have to follow these guidelines if you want to develop your money? Certainly not. However, if you truly desire to increase your money, include at least some of these recommendations into your financial planning. Here's the list. 1. Establish an emergency fund. Prior to considering how to grow your money, you must consider your savings. More precisely, about establishing an emergency savings account. An emergency savings account is a fund into which you deposit funds in case of an emergency. Whether it's an unexpected medical operation, a trip to the veterinarian, or any number of other situations, those fees may quickly accumulate. Having an emergency reserve is critical for long-term financial growth, because if an emergency occurs, you'll want to have funds set aside to use. This way, if something happens, you won't have to rely on a credit card or high-interest personal loan. By staying out of debt, you'll be one step closer to increasing your wealth. 2. Define financial objectives. It's not simple to achieve your dreams if you're unsure of what you want. Similarly, if you don't have a goal to strive toward, it's tough to reach your financial goals. If your objective is to grow your money, it helps to understand why you want to do so. What financial objectives do you have? Consider your requirement and the goals you wish to achieve. Are you interested in saving money for a down payment on a house? Are you putting money aside to start a business? What about a travel fund? Are you concerned about your children's education? Retirement? All of these aims and more are typical statements made by people, but few take the time to sit down and truly articulate them. When you know precisely what you want to do with your money, you'll be in a better position to put the necessary tools in place to help it grow. 3. Modify your mentality. Speaking of attitude, once you have established your objectives, it's important to upgrade your financial mindset. To begin, ascertain what is impeding you from achieving your financial goals. Fear is a significant impediment to figuring out how to grow your money. Fear is a very understandable emotion when you're unfamiliar with something, as many people are with personal finance. Education is one of the most effective strategies to reduce fear. After educating yourself on the subject of your fear, you'll still need to push through to get started. Once you take that first step, you'll realize that none of these financial topics are nearly as frightening as they appear. Another mentality adjustment you may need to make is the expectation that progress would occur overnight. We hear a lot of get-rich-quick stories, but that is highly improbable. If you expect to discover how to expand your money quickly, you are looking in the wrong place. Patience is essential for growth. Recognize that increasing your wealth will take time. You'll notice success gradually and, ultimately, your money will grow. 4. Establish and adhere to a budget. Knowing precisely how much money you earn and how much money you spend is critical for financial growth. The most effective approach to accomplish this is by creating and adhering to a budget. If you've already attempted budgeting without much success, consider a different technique. There are even particular budgeting techniques available if you have variable income, or budgeting with a spouse, or if budgeting has previously failed to work for you. Taking control of your money begins with an understanding of how you spend it. Once you understand this, you may begin working toward other goals such as saving, debt repayment, and investing. 5. Repay your debts. With debt looming over your head, and maybe expanding weekly, it can be difficult to envision a way to build your money. However, it is completely possible. The first stage is to devise a strategy for debt repayment. Loans are critical financial tools that enable us to accomplish a variety of goals, such as obtaining an education or purchasing a home. However, high-interest loans might result in a slew of unneeded expenses. Indeed, the average American is predicted to spend more than $160,000 in interest payments alone over the course of their lifetime. By paying off your debt, You'll save money on interest payments and have more money to invest in ways to expand your money, such as the stock market or in yourself. But what's the best part of devising a strategy for debt repayment? With the correct approach in place, you can pay off debt while also saving and investing. Debt repayment does not have to come at the expense of capital growth. When it comes to growing your money, it's not quite as complicated as you would believe. The sooner you discover how to grow your money, the faster it will grow. Unfortunately, many of us were not taught how to grow my money in school. Fortunately, it is never too late to learn how to build your money quickly. Incorporate a few of these recommendations and witness firsthand how these behaviors can improve your financial situation over time. Did you enjoy this video? Please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.